Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I'm not good enough? I'm just the way I am? Those aren't just thoughts. They're beliefs. The hidden beliefs that are holding you back. And the hardest beliefs to uncover are the ones that seem like the truth. But here's the thing. They're not the truth. They're just stories you've been telling yourself for years. Welcome to You Are Undefeated. And today, we're going to start exploring them, so you can break free from them and step into your true potential. 1. What are limiting beliefs? Limiting beliefs are the invisible chains that bind us, often formed from past experiences or societal conditioning. They whisper that we aren't enough, fueling self-doubt and fear. For instance, the belief that success is unattainable may prevent someone from pursuing their dreams, trapping them in a cycle of mediocrity. These beliefs manifest in our hesitation to take risks or embrace opportunities, stifling personal growth. Recognizing and challenging them opens doors to new possibilities, empowering us to redefine our potential and make bolder decisions. 2. The most dangerous beliefs are silent. The most dangerous beliefs often linger in silence, hidden beneath the surface of our thoughts, influencing our actions without our awareness. They whisper doubts about our worth, echoing past failures and societal expectations, creating a chasm between who we are and who we could be. These unvoiced ideologies can stifle creativity and ambition, leading to missed opportunities and unfulfilled potential. When unchallenged, they shape decisions that seem harmless but can spiral into conflict, trapping individuals in cycles of mediocrity. It's only by bringing these beliefs into the light, confronting them head-on, that we can begin to dismantle the barriers they build. 3. How to spot a limiting belief. For years, I believed I wasn't cut out for leadership. It was a whisper, a nagging thought that crept in during team meetings, reminding me of a past failure that echoed louder than my successes. I recognized it one day, this silent belief that shaped my hesitations and actions. To confront it, I started journaling, noting moments when I second-guessed myself. With each entry, the belief lost its power, revealing my potential. By challenging that thought, I stepped into opportunities I once shied away from, embracing my ability to lead. 4. I'm just being realistic. I'm just being realistic, Sarah said, her voice laced with resignation as she glanced at the vision board crowded with dreams she once held dear. Her best friend Jake had proposed they start a business together, a venture brimming with potential. But Sarah's experiences whispered caution, the weight of past failures urging her to temper her enthusiasm. Jake, however, saw possibilities where Sarah saw pitfalls. Realism can be a cage, he countered gently, encouraging her to envision a future unbound by fear. As they debated, Sarah realized her limiting beliefs had shaped not just her dreams, but her relationships. In that moment, she understood. While realism can offer safety, it can also stifle growth. She decided to confront her doubts and embrace the idea that being realistic doesn't mean abandoning hope. It could be a stepping stone toward achieving what once felt unattainable. 5. Where did that belief come from? Sarah's belief that she wasn't cut out for entrepreneurship took root in her childhood, where her timid nature often clashed with the competitive spirit of her peers. Each cautious choice, fueled by whispers of inadequacy, solidified her self-doubt. As she entered adulthood, societal expectations weighed heavily on her, convincing her that stability was synonymous with success. It wasn't until her friend Jake pointed out that these beliefs were merely mental barriers that she began to challenge them. With every small risk taken, her confidence grew, transforming her limiting beliefs into stepping stones toward her dreams. 6. Your comfort zone is a reflection of belief. Sarah always thought of her comfort zone as a safe haven, a familiar space where her timid nature felt protected. Yet, as she navigated her dreams of entrepreneurship, she recognized that this zone was merely a reflection of her limiting beliefs. Each time she hesitated to step outside, she was reminded of societal whispers that deemed her unfit. Conversations with Jake illuminated her perspective. She began to see her fears not as truths, but as obstacles. With each small risk she took, Sarah felt her confidence blossom, reshaping her comfort zone into a realm of possibility. 7. The words that reveal your limits. Sarah often found herself trapped in a loop of negative self-talk, her words echoing the limitations she believed defined her. Each hesitant phrase she uttered about her entrepreneurial dreams seemed to reinforce her fears. "I can't," she would say, convinced that failure was imminent. However, as she began to share her aspirations with Jake, she noticed something shifting. His encouraging words acted as a mirror, reflecting not just her doubts, but also her untapped potential. Gradually, Sarah learned to reframe her language, replacing "I can't" with "I will try." This simple shift unveiled a world of possibilities, transforming her boundaries into opportunities for growth. Now that you've spotted your limiting beliefs, it's time to challenge them. Ask yourself, is this really true? Where did this belief come from? You have the power to rewrite your story, to break free from the chains of your own mind. Your beliefs don't define you. You define them. Every time you push past a belief that's holding you back, you step closer to the life you deserve. Keep questioning, keep growing, because you are meant for more. You are undefeated. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks.